How to recover your Gmail account using recovery mail. Let's get started. In case you have added recovery email in your Gmail account, you can easily recover your Gmail account. For that, navigate to this website, support.google.com. Scroll down and click on this option, Recover your Google account or Gmail. You'll be directed to this page. Now go ahead and type in your email or phone number. Once you type in, click on Next. Now here, click on the option Try Another Way. Now you'll be prompted to enter your recovery email address. Type in that and click on Send. With that, you'll be getting code in your recovery email. You'll need to go and check and then type in that code over here. Once you type in the code, click on Next. With that, you'll be directed to a new page. From there, you can update your password, or you might get this kind of option, check your recovery mail. You'll be getting sign-in link in your recovery mail. So this way you can easily recover your Gmail account using recovery email. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.